Hey up! It's been a while since we discussed CEX. Let's do this. CEX, the key word that keeps driving so much traffic to my channel. I've not given an update on the company YouTubers love to hate in quite a while now, so I thought today would be a good opportunity to do so. I'm not going to waffle on about their dodgy practice of printing out game covers and selling them on as originals. Nope, today instead I'm going to take a look at CEX Clinic, the technology repair service. Their website makes some rather bold claims, these being no fix no fee, quick turnaround, stores nationwide and a 2-year guarantee. They have, according to their website, repaired almost 260,000 smartphones, almost 38,000 tablets, over 16,000 laptops and almost 50,000 games consoles. Not bad for a service that's only just launched. When we look on the About Us section, it's quite clear that this isn't CEX themselves taking care of the repairs. We read that not so very long ago, two tech companies, CEX and Tech Center, decided to take their relationship to the next level. They got together, opened a bottle, lit some candles, threw on a John Legend record and created CEX Clinic. Man, that's just not funny. With over 3 decades of experience between them, they are now the leading tech repair company in Europe. Not bad considering CEX aren't a repair company until about 5 minutes ago. Let's see what we can find in the terms and conditions. Oh, here we go. So it's not CEX after all, it's Remedy Tech Center Limited. Let's see what we can find about these. A quick Google reveals they are the same company behind techcentre.co.uk, a website which is coming soon and had a repair place based in Castleford near Leeds. Proper Yorkshire lads, love it. Right, so let's take a quick look at an example of their prices. I'll search for one of my current favourite devices right now, the Amazon Kindle Fire HD 8. So let's say we need a screen repair on our device. We're looking at a cost of £68. Okay, so let's see how much we can buy one off CEX for. Okay, we can get a grade B for £13 less than the cost of a repair. Only £55, with no waiting around for 7 days for the repair either. To be fair though, I think probably on the more expensive devices the prices do look a bit more reasonable. So I've not used the CEX Repair Clinic yet, but I'll be interested to hear any of your stories in the comments as to whether or not you have. Are they brilliant? Are they not so good? Let's give them a chance, shall we? If you've got any devices you want me to send off, then get in touch. I'll take the device off you and I will pay for the repair, just so I can see how good the service is. Thanks for watching again, and if you haven't yet subscribed, then please hit the subscribe and the bell notification button below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.